Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a new folder on your Windows files. Super simple to do. You can either right click here and select new folder. You can rename it to whatever you want here, to maybe like pictures or whatever. Oh my god, I'm losing my voice, I'm so sorry. Or you can select this icon and select new and then select folder here. And whoops, that is pretty much how you can create a new folder on Windows 11. You can also like put more new folders inside of a folder, just put more folders in folders or whatever you'd like to. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.